Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi. And with the credit growing faster than deposits, banks are looking to raise capital in various forms. So, Canara Bank is the latest bank which is looking to raise capital through Tier 2 bonds, which is a form of capital for the bank. They're not perpetual bonds like Tier 1 bonds, but they are still considered subordinate debt. Uh, Before we go on to the market highlights, your financial advisors are using INR bonds partner portal for getting the best bonds with the most information and transparency for their clients to help their clients invest and save better through bonds. And INR bonds has been helping financial advisors through an exclusive partner portal which is designed for advisors to help clients invest in bonds for the best portfolio performance. Log into INR bonds and visit our partner page for and sign up, and we will help you and your clients save better.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.
Back to bond market highlights. Very lackluster market today. Gsec yields flat, Sensex Nifty flat, rupee also flat, and only 10-year Gsec yield is higher at 305 and looks to be trending higher going forward. And coming back to bonds for capital, now deposit credit is growing much faster than deposit. And the indicator showing from RBI is that there is a requirement for liquidity, and with credit growing very fast, then the need for capital also will come, and we have the banking system that will start to look to raise capital through bonds, through Tier 1 or Tier 2 bonds. And Canara Bank is the latest in the fray. Thank you for listening in. Do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds, for the best curated bonds on offer with the most information and the best, easiest to invest through the in-app investment process, along with our own proprietary risk score. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.